project, I'm using Meetup RSVP event data, streaming data coming from Satori. This is a sample data. It has the different fields for each RSVP event. The response, where the event is happening, the event name, the geographic location of the event, and all. At the high level, this is my pipeline. I'm using Apache NiFi to collect the events from Satori and ingesting into Kafka. Then from Kafka, I'm using Kafka Connect to read the events and writing it to Elasticsearch index. Then I'm going to use Kibana for visualization. This is my real-time pipeline. For long-term storage, I'm going to use S3, and I'm using Kafka Connect for S3 to read data from Kafka and writing into a S3 bucket. Then for ad hoc query purpose, I'm using Athena query service in Amazon AWS. So let's get back to the details. This is my NiFi console. I have two streams. This is my real-time pipeline, reading data from Satori and ingesting into a Kafka topic. This is a one-time pipeline to load event category information which is not available as part of the stream. So I downloaded from Meetup site for all the different groups. So I have the reference data with the group ID and the category name. So I can join on the group ID with the real-time data to get the category information. And here I'm reading the file in this processor, updating with different attributes, then converting the CSV to a JSON format, then ingesting into Kafka topic. In the Kafka, I'm using a concurrent version of Kafka. These are the different connectors available in Confluent version, and these are the different components we have here. And I'm using Kafka SQL for data enrichment and creating some windowing tables to see the data in real time. I'm going to log into Kafka SQL. So before that, so this is the tables I created in Kafka SQL. This is my raw stream on top of the Kafka topic. And then this is the flattened version of the JSON data for each event. And this is going to be my reference data for categories that I downloaded and uploaded using NiFi. This is going to be my enriched data with category name, joining these two streams on the group ID. And also these are my two Kafka tables with windowing functions, one for the category name for the 5-minute window and the top cities for the 5-minute tumbling window. Let's go back, see the data for the. So this is my detailed table with all the information I have. This is the real-time streaming data with category name. And these are my tumbling tables with top categories in 5-minute window. You can see the count is going up. And this is for the top cities in the 5-minute tumbling window. I'm also using Elastic connector to ingest data into Meetup, the Elasticsearch index. Here is my table. Here is my index. 1 hour data, 6,000 rows per 1 hour. This is my dashboard. My dashboard has top 5 categories with RSP count per hour and different top 5 categories, top 5 countries within this time frame. Let me change it to 12 hours. And these are the top 3 active groups by city. So these are the top 3 groups in each city: New York, London, Barcelona. And these are top 5 events within the 12 hours time frame. And these are the top 5 events with RSVP counts. For long-term storage, I'm using S3 and loading data using Kafka Connect. And the data is ingested into an S3 bucket. This is my bucket, and this is where all my data. All the data is loaded from Kafka to S3 using Kafka Connect. I am using Athena for querying the data on S3. I created a table pointing to my bucket. And now I can query the S3 data just like a database table. And see the output. So this is the easiest way if you want to run ADA queries on your long-term storage. You don't need to pay when you don't use it. You only pay for the amount of data you query. For experimental purpose, I've used Apache Drill to query data right out of Kafka. This is my configuration for Apache Drill pointing to a Kafka topic. I'll show you how to run a sample query in Apache Drill. This query is running on Kafka topic. I'm giving you the result set. This is related to Kafka SQL. Kafka SQL is just became production ready. Earlier it was just in development preview. And also I'm using Spark streaming for calculating the top 5 categories in 5-minute window. And you can use, you can write these batch views into a secondary storage like a Mongo or MySQL, which can give you a batch view data. You can see this is a 5-minute window. It's still calculating from 7:25 to 7:30, and it's updating the counts. Okay, thank you.